at the DMV. Let's see if we have any action over here. Oh, I'm gonna pass it. So last time I was here, I didn't really do any research on what the test was about and how the lines went. But I went back and checked it out, and I didn't even see these lines right here because they're so faded. And I guess you got to stay in between these lines as well. Felt easier last week. All right, let me get back in the circle. Oh, I feel like I'm leaning more this week. Let me try it the opposite way. Okay, so we'll go this way. I'm dragging my rear brake, but I don't know if that's what I should be doing, and I'm coming out of the line real bad right now. Let's see here. It's kind of weird too because as you practice on the Harley, the Sportster particularly, it doesn't have a radiator, so it gets kind of warm. And on a hot day like this, you could feel that heat on your legs. Did I stall? Sure did. Oh no, I just turned the button off on accident. Yeah, but like I was saying, you could feel the heat on your legs, and it's pretty unpleasant. Let's try this way. Yeah, I could probably swing that if I practice more often. You really got to pay attention to people that's not paying attention. I swear, people, they make decisions and then don't want to stick to them. I'm gonna do a video on just studying drivers one day and show you how dangerous this stuff is for reals. Not only do you have to have the skill to ride, know your shifts, your clutch, your brakes, your body positioning, your leads and everything, you gotta watch out for people. I don't want to name them because I may be guilty of it too, once or twice in my life, who knows. But you gotta watch out for people who are not paying attention, and it's just human nature to not pay attention to things that you get comfortable doing. So danger element of this. But stay tuned for that video though, because I'm going to make that video soon. We're going to go out and look for unattentive drivers on the next video or so. Show you how crazy this stuff gets. We're going to peek into a couple of windows and see what people are doing. It's going to be fun. Stay tuned for that. Shoot me some tips and suggestions on what you want me to look for as far as these unattentive drivers and what you probably realized or noticed out there on the streets riding or even driving.